Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today I'm going to show you how to take a set of data, put it in your calculator, and model it with an exponential function. So let's take a look at a set of data. We got the data here, and I'm going to type this into my graphing calculator, and then I'm going to model the data. So actually I'm going to clear this function that's in here already, and I'm going to go to Stats. Actually quit that. Oh, my calculator's a bit slow. I'm going to go to Stats, and you go to Edit. So let me get this calculator up here. So I'm going to go to Edit, and I've got lists here right now for some reason, so I can go up to L2 here and clear, press enter, and I'm going to clear those lists, clear, enter, okay. So they're gone, and I want these values here, 0 to 16. So I'm going to type those in, 0 to 16. Okay, then in L2, I'm going to type in the other values that we have for the length here. So 4. Okay, so make sure you've your lists are both of the same size, or we're not going to be able to do this. So it looks like I typed in all the data correctly. And we're going to graph it in a second. We're going to go to second function stat plot first and turn on stat plot to plot a bunch of points. So I'm going to turn that on, and it should be on the point setting, which it already is. And it should say L1 and L2, which it does. So actually you need to go to zoom 9. Zoom 9 is zoom stat, so I'm going to press 9 here. And there we go. There's our points, and it looks like it's definitely looks like it's exponential. Alright, so we're going to try to find the equation of this. We need to go to Stat, and we go over to Calc section here. Then we have a bunch of regression functions. So we have linear regression, quadratic regression, cubic, quartic. So we have all those things. Just going to go down to, there should be a exponential regression. So I'm going to click enter on exponential regression, and we need to use the lists L1 and L2, so I'm going to type in second function L1, comma, second function L2, okay, and then I press enter, and it does give you values for A and B that you can use to model the function. Alright, so we could say that an equation, actually, let me just get that screenshot. Okay, so the equation we can use to model this function is y equals a, which looks like it's very close to 4, so I'm going to use 4. And a in this case, now be careful, your calculator considers this number to be a. We use a to indicate the base of the exponent. So in this case, this is going to be 4 times, and the base of your exponent is 1.2. So this function here matches this table here. We can use it to model the data. Alright, so also on your graphing calculator, we could do that again. We could do the exponential regression, but you can also tell your calculator to put this into one of the functions here and graph it. So what you can do is you can go to, I believe you can go to alpha graph. No, it's not alpha graph. Alpha trace, and select Y1. Press enter. And oopsie, what have I got done now? Let me try that again. So I'll go to Stats, go to Exponential Regression. It's down here somewhere. So exponential regression is 0. Good to know. Okay, exponential regression. We're going to do L1, comma, L2, comma, and then we're going to go to alpha trace to get the Y1 and press enter, and there it comes up Y1. So now I'm going to press enter, and there's my exponential function again. If you go to y equals now, it's typed into y equals for you. So if I go to graph, there you can see the line goes, or the curve goes through the points like that, so it does match the points.